Oh god, this is weird. Feels like there's a demon on the car. Look at this! This is terrifying! So these drive-through car washes have a reputation that they scratch your car or they don't wash it properly, and today we're going to find out if these are as bad as everyone says. So when it comes to testing out a car wash that does damage cars, it's only fair me using my own car for two reasons. Firstly, because this car is already scratched, as you can see, so it's not going to do any more harm getting a few more scratches. And secondly, when it does scratch, it's only my car I'm scratching, so it's okay. So before we go into this car wash, just look how dirty it really is. It is absolutely filthy right now. This car's not been washed in a good long time, as I'm sure you can see. There's not a part of this car that's not covered in either dust, dirt, soil, or something else. This car is as filthy as a car can get. So let's see how it comes out. I just need to remember, these scratches are already here. The rest of the car is pretty scratch-free. And when it comes to recording it, I'm actually going to be using this right here to record my drive-through. So that is going to be our view from the chair, so we can actually see me going into the drive. As long as the camera doesn't fall off, we're going to be all good. So let's see what it actually looks like. So being here now, I'm second in queue. There's only one car getting done right in front of me. I am nervous right now, but that is looking pretty clean. I've never been inside one before, so I'm assuming you just stop in the middle and wait for the machine to do its work. It doesn't look like it's actually scratching anything. So when people say their cars are scratched in these, I don't know how or why, but I guess we're gonna find out. We've got to be patient and wait and see what happens. So there are many options in price and what it does. We're going to go for the Ultimate Plus, £9.50, brush wash foam, ultimate wheels, high brush wash wax, ultimate dry, under chassis, protect and shine. It sounds really good. £9.50 is not expensive for a high-end wash. Let's see how much this works. Again, nervous. We're going to go for it. It's also got a load of instructions and warnings here too. The instructions, please remove your aerial. The aerial doesn't work anyway, so it's not really a problem. But that's not reassuring. Let's give it a go, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. I won't worry about it. We're cool, we're cool. Alright everyone, I'm next. I'm going in. Let's hope, that my car looks just as clean as the one front and zero scratches. We're gonna find out. Wish me luck. Well, here we are guys, we're officially in the car wash. This is scary, I'm not gonna lie. So, mainly because it's got that many warnings, it's terrifying. But it's soaking the whole car, it's always a good start. It's not making any heavy clunks either. This is looking okay. Oh, we can't see the back. Oh, this is a strong wash. This car weighs less than a ton, I think, or bang on a ton. This is terrifying. My car's shaking from this. And that's how I've got my camera set up, by the way, guys, so you can actually see what happens in the front. Look at this. How loud is this? Okay. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I think this is gonna be a thorough clean. If this is so good, I'm gonna question why people go to hand car washes. Obviously, close my windows, aerial not taken away. If this breaks my aerial, that's my own fault, but I'll take it. Doesn't really work, I was saying. It doesn't really work anyway, it's fine. Who uses the radio? I mean, it's on, but just, you can't connect to a radio station. Might not be able to put it on anymore after this. Oh god, this is weird. Feels like there's a demon on the car. Look at this! This is terrifying! And as we are primarily a car review channel, can we just show you a quick review of the car while I'm here? Ignore the background noise of the car wash, but look how nice the dashboard looks, guys. It's a Mitsubishi, so you know it's good. Nice and basic and stylish. What do you say? So I've just had to put the handbrake up a notch because the machine is that powerful. It was actually dragging the car back on 2 clicks on the handbrake and either 3. This car is light, like I said, it's a very light car. That's quite funny, the car moved from it. This is brilliant. So my mirror is folded in towards me, it was that strong, and so is the other side. They've both been hit in towards me. Is that my fault? Am I supposed to fold the mirrors before I start? Is that supposed to happen? I don't know. I don't know. Hopefully the mirrors aren't broken. It looks like the drying procedure has begun. It is now drying my car. And it is looking sparkling from the inside, I guess. I mean, it's a bit steamy. I think that's me because it's boiling in this car. This car is like a sauna right now. I'm actually sweating. Like, look at me, I am genuinely sweating. It's so hot in this car right now. I'm sweating. The car's sweating with me. But it's looking clean. And that's what we're here for, right? I just gotta remember not to open the windows when I get out or drive. Because you know, that's gonna ruin it. But apart from that, it's looking good right now. It's looking good. This is not a waste of content right here. This is a good use of it. Right guys, I just had to hit my aerial. Just hit my aerial. I don't know if the aerial's fallen off, but I actually had to hit. That's why you're supposed to take the aerial off, I guess. Oh, I think we're done. I think we're done. I think we're officially clean. Forward. All right, guys, we've done it. We're clean. Let's go and get out of this. Engine still starts, which is always good. And let's go now and review how clean the car is. All right, guys, so I've just parked back to where we started. Let's go and have a look. Firstly, if the air was in, I did not check it yet. And see how clean the car is and if there's any more scratches. Wish me luck. All right, so here we are. This is how the car looks. On here, is any new scratches? Nope, they're the exact same ones. I'm pretty sure that's all the car had. Oh, wait there. Okay, there's a scratch right here. I believe that is new. So, okay, I think these are new scratches. Let me know what you think. We had a little look around before. But yeah, actually, that's quite scratched everywhere now. So, okay, that's had quite a few scratches. Nothing too deep, though. Aerial is still in place, which I'm thankful for. But I think, yeah, it looks very clean. Look at the exhaust. Yeah, it all looks very well cleaned. And for an electric robot cleaner, that isn't too bad, apart from the few scratches there. Let's have a quick little look around. Those wheels, they're not the cleanest. Not gonna lie, for the Premium Plus clean, that is not the cleanest, but this has the car been clean forever, so I guess I can't be too judgmental. Or can I? Yeah, there's still some markings here too. So it's not done the best job. Is that rust? Yeah, okay. So it's not done the best job. I know the rust has got nothing to do with the car wash, obviously, but I just didn't realise I had rust on this car there. But overall, it has done quite a good job in the cleanliness side of it. This car is very clean. Especially look at those windows. They look amazing. Very clean car. But a few marks left. And there hasn't touched that at all. So it's just completely missed off that part. Or the other side. It's got some of that side, not all of it. So it has missed off some, but it's still got the aerial. That's the main thing. And I think it's got a few new scratches here and there. What do you all think? Do you think this was a good wash? Was it worth £10? Do you think it has scratched my car more, or am I making this up? Let me know your thoughts from the before and after photos or videos and see what you think. Funniest thing ever, I've just recorded about a 10-minute segment and didn't press record. It's annoying when you do that. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Overall, what do you think? Do you think it's a huge improvement? Do you think them new scratches are from the car wash, or am I just making it up? Let me know your thoughts, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and follow the page. Let's grow this to make it a bigger channel. We've got a lot of competition out there in this age, so let's make this the best car channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Ciao.